This is ETA watch movement 955122. It is an 11.5 line diameter movement, which is 25.6 millimeters. The movement is 3 millimeters thick. It takes a 371 battery, and the height on top of the battery is 3.12 millimeters. It has EOL, which is end of life indicator for the battery. When the battery is nearing the end of its life, the seconds hand will start to jump seconds. The watch still keeps time during EOL. It's simply a indicator developed for divers' watches to ensure you don't go diving with insufficient power reserve. The 955122 has both day and date complications. There are 4 movements in this ETA series. The 955102 is time only. The 955112 is time and date. This, the 955122, is time, day and date. And the 955132 is time with day and date, with the day displayed at 12 o'clock.